As you had seen that in earlier video it has become longer, so I have to do fast forward and the number were not visible, so I will be trying to make the short video of 5 to 6 minutes. So let's see, without wasting our time, we will move towards. And from the previous video, if you have got NCERT class 9th book, you might have seen that we had discussed all and every topic of which is before exercise 1.1. So now we are dealing with exercise 1.1. There were few questions in NCERT book that I am solving over here and trying to make you understand. So let's see the first question. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0? While explaining also, I had explained you that all integers, whole numbers, natural numbers comes under rational number. So of course 0 is rational number. Now there comes the question, can we write it in the form of P by Q? Of course we can write it in the form of P by Q. As you can see over here, I had written 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by minus 1, 0 by minus 2. I will come towards the answer. Yes, 0 is a rational number and we can represent it in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. For example, 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3. And I had written 0 by minus 1 also. In several books you will find this 0 by minus 1 and 0 by minus 2. Then why I had written? As we know, minus 2 into 0 is 0. So when 0 divided by minus 1, that will be also equal to 0 only. As we know the rules of equation, when this will come this side, it will be dividing. So 0 divided by minus 2 will be 0. 0 divided by minus 1 will be 0. As in definition of rational number, it has been said P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0. Except 0, Q can be any numbers. So it can be negative numbers also. When negative numbers divides 0, the sign, the result is also 0 and the sign is itself no any sign. That means neither positive nor negative. It is said 0 is neither positive nor negative. So when we divide 0 with positive sign also, then it is 0 only. With negative sign numbers also, then also it is 0 only. But there should not be 0. Why? Because if there will be 0, suppose we are writing over here minus 2 into 0 is equal to 0. If suppose there will be 0, then the solution will be indefinite, because 0 when multiplied with any numbers becomes 0. So now when 0 is divided with 0, that means by which number it is being multiplied, it is not fixed. So it becomes indefinite, and that we do not consider is it as rational number. So in definition only it has been clear that Q should not be equal to 0. For being integers, Q should not, for being rational number, Q should not be 0 when it is in the form of P by Q. So now we will move further. Find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. I would like to remind you earlier that I had explained you how to find the rational numbers. I had even also given the formula in the you will use in that case where the numbers are in fraction and that also are not in like fraction. And I had said that you don't have to find exactly the things which are in middle, and even I had said when it is said 6 and if there is no denominators or if there is like denominators, then we will multiply up and down with one bigger number than this. So one bigger number than 6 is 7. So 3 by 1, no number below, that means 1 is there. 3 by 1 is multiplied with 7 by 7, it becomes 21 by 7. And 4, that means 4 by 1 is multiplied by 7 by 7, that becomes 28 by 7. So 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 is equal to, that should lie between these. So after 21, 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7, and after that comes 28 by 7. So what happens? The number is between these two numbers. That means between 3 and 4. I had also said you earlier that the numbers when said between must be greater than the smaller number and less than the bigger number. That is had been followed over here, and you can see exactly 6 number comes when we apply one more than this as a denominator by multiplying their denominator by one more than this. In third number question also you can see over here, find 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. If you will see, now this is a like fractions, their denominators is same. So now what we will do, we will multiply one more than this, up and down by one more than this. So let's see, here it has been said 5 and the number is 3 by 5. So we have multiplied 3 by 5 with 6 and 6. 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 into 6 by 6. That means 18 by 30 and 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5 into 6 by 6. That is 24 by 30. So 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 is 29 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. So in this way we can get nearly with equal gap and the most appropriate middle numbers. I am saying the most appropriate. That doesn't mean I have written over here 19 by 30 and if it in answer comes 21 by 60, 22 by 60, 23 by 60, then it will be right or wrong. No, that will be also right, because those values are also between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So that's all for today, and we will be solving and discussing further questions. Few more questions of this exercise has been left in next video. Thank you.